Hello students, let us continue the lesson. The name it is An Officer and a Gentleman. Dear students, all of you take your pencil and put the finger on line. Okay. First of all, we will see the here Colonel Venugopal's has done the activities as well as his photos describing here he is doing much hard work as well as pursue all the activities. You can see the pictures of here when he was a child. Colonel Vasant Gopal, age 4. Next, Venugopal's family here. Two brothers both are and their parents. Third picture is here Colonel Vasant with his 2 years daughter. 1998 it was the picture. Next picture here Vasant Gopal was going to discuss with the soldiers with his team in Kashmir 2007. Next, see the picture during the training time. The peoples or Vasant Gopal has doing the year he is taking training in the academy Dehradun, firing a rocket launcher on a field firing range. Firing a rocket launcher here. He is firing a rocket. See in this picture. Last picture here you can see. Let Vasant posing with Shaktiman truck. Lieutenant Vasant posing here, giving the pose as a Shaktiman on a Shaktiman or with a Shaktiman truck. When the Vasant Gopal and his team were commanded when Vasant Gopal and his team has done the operation, that was they get successful. That's why the commanding note on all of them. See these words, your humane attitude. What was the commanding said to the team Vasant Gopals? Your humane attitude. Your humane attitude means your looking at the peoples, means your nature towards the people. Coming barely 72 hours after gunning hardcore. Hardcore means here your dedication towards the work or toward the operation. Toward the operation when the terrorist in the same area is praiseworthy. When the terrorist was with them in this area, it's praiseworthy. Means how to handle the terrorists. It is really praiseworthy. It is really risk with survive with them. You have not only proved yourselves to be warrior, you have proved yourself to be gentlemen warriors. Here the commanding officer said to the whole team of the Vasant Gopals that he told all of the peoples have proved here you are not the warriors, you are the good gentlemen warriors. That was the operation. They have succeeded. In such difficulties time, Colonel Vasant did everything to uphold the team morale. After another successful operation, he wrote in praise of his men. With my own eyes, I saw your indomitable courage and aggressive spirit during the combat and felt proud to be a part of you. Here, when the current Vasant Gopal and his team was facing the challenges, In that time, he was encouraging his team's spirit with among the soldiers. And after successful operation, he wrote in praise of his men. He wrote praise. Praise means to say something about in a good manner about someone. So Vasanta Gopal wrote and praised to his men, with my own eyes I saw you. Your indomitable courage and aggressive spirit during the combat. You have shown the courage and aggressiveness during the combat, means your battle. During the battles, you have shown the courage and aggressive spirit and felt proud to be a part of you. And commanding officer is telling to the Vasanta Gopal's team that I am also part of your battle. When you are showing the indomitable, means here you cannot be defeated anyone. In such a condition, you can't defeat anyone, and you have shown the aggressive spirit, moral spirit you have shown during the battle. On 31 July, his troops surrounded terrorists. During the 31st July, one of the troop of his team, one of the troops of the Vasanta Gopal, they were surrounded. They were caught by the terrorists in a forest, blocking their escape routes in the Uri sector in Kashmir, and they will get blocked. They means here the terrorists could not move them their escape routes to Uri sector in Kashmir. They were caught in the Uri sector. Where it is Uri sector? It is situated in Kashmir. Again, the daring officer led from the front and helped gun down the terrorists. Again, the daring officer led from the front and helped gun down the terrorists. Tragically means difficultly, tragic situation, he was hit by a bullet and he passed away at the hospital. One of the terrorists has hit to the Vasanta Gopal and he was hit by a bullet and he passed away at the hospital. He ensured that all 8 infiltrators means here people secretly entering another country. Some people, infiltrators called, who came without permission and entered to the country, were wiped out even as he laid down his life for the nation. He ensured that he was ensured about that all 8 infiltrators were wiped out even as he laid down his life for the nation. Colonel Vasanta Gopal has decided he has to wipe out all the members. Those are 8 infiltrators who entered without permission to the country. He has to take them out. He was a true soldier who was dedicated to the country. He was a true soldier. Who is the true soldier? Vasanta Gopal, and who was dedicated to the country, who is reserved for the country as his force, who is reserved as a soldier to the country and his force also. Then the Chief of Army Staff, General J.J. Singh, said after Colonel Vasant martyrdom, here the death of the soldier in war. This Chief of Army Staff, General J.J. Singh, said after Colonel Vasant martyrdom, in honor of his sacrifice, The nation awarded him the Ashok Chakra, the highest gallantry award granted during the peacetime. And after this, he has sacrificed his life toward the nation. So he was awarded Ashok Chakra, the highest gallantry. It's a famous award. It was true, granted during the peacetime. Colonel Vasant was cremated with full military honor on 1st 2007 in Bangalore. Colonel Vasant was cremated means he was getting burned with the full military honor with a respect on 1st August 2007 in Bangalore. Here is he has got the award that was very valuable awards. Ashok Chakra, the highest gallantry award granted during the peacetime, and he got this award as his nature during the peacetime. I hope you understood this lesson.